Hey guys, it's Sarah from Little Learning Corner, and I have teamed up with the Kindergarten Crate. I am so excited to show you what you could get in these monthly themed boxes that are delivered right to your door. So let's get started on this month's box. This month is all about apples, family, and community, and you won't believe all the stuff that you can get in this subscription box. So for the month of September, it's all about apples, as I had just mentioned. And the first thing in your box is this book called Apple Days. And there's activities to go along with it, but let me show you what else came in the box. They have these mini apple erasers, because we all love the mini erasers. They have this model magic. It's super soft, so it's easy for the kids to manipulate, and it's good for their fine motor as well. Apple stickers. How cute are those? They're upside down. How cute are these? Foam dice. Dry erase markers. It just keeps going. Sheet protectors, and I'll show you what these are for. Here's this, a crisscross applesauce notebook with a pen. Just so cute. And a couple treats for you as the teacher, because what teacher doesn't want a little snack in their drawer? So of course, to stick with the apple theme, we have some caramel apple flavored caramels. Can't wait to try those. And when you have had a long day, you can go home and relax with your apple orchard bath bomb. How cute. Oh my gosh, right? Okay. So to go along with the Apple Days book, we're going to use all of this stuff with the activities and sheets that they give you. Yes, they give you all of the activities and sheets to go with it. And they also give you printouts that have the standards listed right at the bottom. So it will show you what you can do, shows you how to do it, and the standards. So it takes away the work from you having to go home and link all the standards to your activity. It's just amazing. So first, let's get started. They give you these math sheets, and it will have the number, the tens frame, and the apple tree, and it's 1 through 10. So what they suggest using is the model magic. Take the model magic, roll it into balls, and match the number that's on the sheet. Okay, and then they can also form the model magic inside of the number to actually make the number as well. I mean, hi, math centers, done, check. And they also give you these apple trees. And what I would do is I would put these inside of the sheet protectors that came with it. And they suggest that you roll the foam dice. So each kid or each center could have a foam dice. They could roll the dice, and then what they're going to do is they're going to add that mini erasers onto their tree. So you can practice counting, one-to-one correspondence, adding, and then you could also reverse it and practice subtraction. So they could have the whole tree already filled up with the mini erasers, then roll the dice, and then take off that many as well. So again, addition, subtraction, counting, done. Another math center already created for you. This is amazing. In the book, The Apple Days, the main character enjoys cooking and following recipes with their family. So they have a family recipe drawing/writing extension worksheet. And down at the bottom it says, my family's favorite food is. So then the students can draw a picture of their favorite food and write in to complete the sentence. I love this because A, they already have a whole class set made for you. You don't have to try to run to go make copies. And B, I would turn this into a class book. Each kid completes a page, put it together, make a little title page for it, and then leave it in my reading center for the kids to read. Or you could also send it home as a class book for the parents to look over and read through everybody's work. They really like those class books. And they included a Katie's applesauce recipe card. You can make applesauce with the kids. How cute is that? So to recap, you get all of the fun manipulatives that come in the box, the counting erasers, the dry erase markers, the sheet protectors to put the center activities in so you don't have to try to laminate them, and the apple stickers, the model magic, the notebook, and all of these lesson activities to go with it. The counting apple tens frame, the picking apples math game, and the family recipe drawing and writing. Hello, I can't, like, this is perfect, and I am just so impressed with the kindergarten crate. So if you are a pre-K, kindergarten, or first grade teacher, then this monthly subscription box is for you. Seriously, you need to try it out. So you get all this stuff sent right to your doorstep. It's amazing. I will put the link below for you to try it out. Thanks for watching.